We are having a potty break in the back of the truck. Huh. Yep. We had one at the vet. And now we're at the grocery store because we had to pick up a birthday cake. And then we're heading to our dinner. Yeah, somebody missed. They had to go so bad. I should have plopped them straight in the box because they just squatted and peed. Now he's going again. Good boy. The box is the right place to go. Hello, my little princess. How's my little princess? My little princess isn't even 3 pounds yet. She's just a petite princess. Hello, Luke. Hello, Luke. Con, you're gonna get a drink of water? I put the water so you could get a drink. Arr, arr, arr.